Now let us check whether a given number is prime number or not, for which I require some identifiers or the variables int number. The next one is a counter. Sometimes we also call it as a flag counter, and I for iterations. Printf, enter the number. We are going to read the number with the help of scanf function. %d, address of num. Now let us write a for loop. For I equal to 1, I less than or equal to number I plus plus. Here we are going to check whether a given number is prime number or not, for which we use if condition. If num mod I is double equal to 0, num mod I is double equal to 0, then I'll increment c value by 1. We all know that a number which has factors 1 and itself is called as a prime number. If c value is less than or equal to 2, then printf the given number %d is prime number. So what is the argument which we need to pass for this? Num. Else printf the given number %d is not a prime number, num. Last one is written 0. Now let us execute this and check the output for it. We can see here, enter the number. We are entering the number as 7. So 7 is divisible by 1 and itself. So 7 is a prime number. First let us see. We got the result as 7. The given number 7 is a prime number. The given number 7 is a prime number. So how we got this 7 as a prime number is, let us take I value as 1. I is less than or equal to 7. Condition is true. It enters into the loop. In loop we have if condition 7 mod I, 7 mod 1. 7 mod 1 is, the remainder is 0. That is, now you are incrementing the c value by 1. What is the c value now? C value is 1. As the c value, initial value was 0, now we increment the c value by 1 because the condition is satisfied. Now I value is incremented by 1, 2. What is the num? Num value is 7. 7 mod 2, remainder is 1. 7 mod 2, the remainder is 1. That is, 2 3s are 6 and the remainder is 1. Is 1 double equal to 0? False. So no incrementing in the c value. Next, I value is incremented by 1, 3. 7 mod 3, so it is not equal to 0. No increment in the c value. 7 mod 4, no increment in the c value. 7 mod 5, no increment in c value. 7 mod 6, no increment in the c value. 7 mod 7, the remainder is 0. Now the condition is satisfied. Then it increments the c value by 1. Now c value is 2. Earlier it was 1, now it is 2. Again increment the I value by 1. I value is 8. is 8 less than or equal to num? Condition is failed. Then it comes out of this loop. Once it is coming out of the loop, now we are going to check this. If C value, what is the C value here? 2 is 2 less than or equal to 2. Condition is true. Once the condition is true, then we execute this particular statement, that is the given number 7 is prime number. Now let us take the another case where the given number is not a prime number. Let us take 4. So we should get the output as the given number 4 is not a prime number. Now let us check here with iterations. I value equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 4, condition is true. 4 mod I, the value is 0, 0 double equal to 0, condition is true, which means now C value is incremented by 1. C value was 0, now C value is 1. Increment I value by 1. I value is 2, 2 less than or equal to 4, condition is satisfied. Num mod 2, that is 4 mod 2, the value is still equal to 0, which means the remainder is 0. C value is incremented by 1. Now C value is 2. Again increment I value by 1. I value is 3, 3 less than or equal to 4, condition is satisfied. 4 mod 3, the remainder is 1. 1 double equal to 0, condition is failed. So no increment in the C value. Again increment I value by 1. I value is 4. 4 less than or equal to 4. Condition is true. It enters inside. Now num, that is 4 mod 4 is double equal to 0. Condition is true. And C value is incremented by 1. Earlier C value was 2. Now C value is 3. I value is incremented by 1. 5. 5 less than or equal to 4, condition is failed. It comes outside. C value is 3. 3 is less than or equal to 2. 3 is less than or equal to 2, which is failed. The condition is failed, which means it should go for the else part. The given number, that is the given number 4 is not a prime number. This is what the result we got it. So this is how we need to execute the code and check whether it is satisfying for the given test cases or not. Similarly, you try to give for 2 or 3 numbers and check whether you are getting correct result or not. Only then you can come to a conclusion that the logic whatever you have written is absolutely correct. Okay, thank you.